Hello teachers, today's featured tech tool is Canva, which is an amazing online graphic design tool. You or students can create posters, flyers, social media, projects, resumes, infographics. You can edit photos and videos. You can remove backgrounds. You can do presentations. You can make a talking presentation, graphic organizer, schedules, comic designs, virtual backgrounds, book reports, lesson plans, worksheets, schedules. Absolutely anything you can think of, you can create in Canva. Canva is free for educators and also for students. You just have to sign up for Canva for Education, and if you sign that, then you get all the premium features of this website for free, as do your students. When you sign up for Canva for Education, right here you can add in different classes and then add in your students as well. So how you add in a class is you come over here to this year icon and you come down to billing and teams and then create a new class. And then from here you can get this invite code and send it to your students, and once they click on this code, they'll be included in your class and then they will get all the premium features of Canva as well. There are millions of templates, photos, fonts, icons, videos that are free for you to put into whatever sort of design you are wanting to make, or your students can also do that. You can come to create a design. It has all these different options here that you can look into. It also has a lot of templates that you can use as well. I'm going to have my students create an infographic, or maybe I'm creating an infographic for them. Here it'll give you a whole bunch of templates that you can look at. From here you can edit and take out what you don't like, and you can add in different pictures. You can adjust anything and edit anything on these templates. I want to make this a little bit bigger, so you come down here and you can stretch it. Want a different picture? I can take out this picture, and then I can come over here to photos, and then you can search for different photos, and then you have a whole bunch of images that you can look at, and then you can break them down into different categories as well. Then you would just add this in and you can stretch it to be how you want it. You can also go, if you had some that you uploaded, for example, these are all different things that I've uploaded into Canva to use, you can also do that. And let's say I want to change the font over here or the color, you can do that up here. You also can change the transparency right here, and so you can make it less this is just the word that I'm changing the transparency on. You can change the position of where things are. Up here is where you would put your title. And you can change the font, and they have so many different fonts that you can choose from, and all of them are available to you in the education account. It also has some animations that you can do, so you can click on these and it will animate them. You want to add in different elements here. You can add in lines, arrows, different things like that. Graphics, they have some that are animated, some that are not. You can also change the background of these. You can add in audio, and it has a bunch of different free audio versions you can add in. Up here are more templates. Let's say you don't like this one, you can just switch it out for a different template. And if you click more here, it even has more, like if you have a Bitmoji. Okay, you can also add in videos if you wanted. It's like if you were sharing this not as a hard copy, but just as a digital copy, you could add in different videos. You can come up here and change the color. You can also search different videos or make a recording of yourself. So when you are ready, you can come over here to the share button, and then you have some different options here. Students can also work on a presentation or an infographic together. They can do that as well by sharing it with each other. Right here, if you come to download, you can do all these different ones. So these are different images that you could download as a PDF, as a video, since it has this little video in it. You can also come over here to more, and then you have all these different options. As a PDF, and then right here it goes into my downloads. So then if I click on this, it would open it up as a PDF. Let's say that you didn't finish and you want to come back to it. It stores all of your projects as well. You can also look at ones that are being shared with you, so ones that you're working together with people on. I do want to show you a couple other templates that are kind of neat. For example, if you come over here to templates. You can look at all these different educational ones. You can also browse by subject, narrow them down over here, and adjust them as needed. You can say customize this template, and maybe you want to have a different image here, so then you could come over here to, if you come up here to elements, you can also search for clip art in there instead, and then you want to position it and move it to the back. You could send it to the back like that and move things around how you want them. You can also start from scratch. You don't need to use a template. You can just come up to create a design and then choose whichever one you want to do, and then it'll just start with a blank page. And then you can add in what you want to. I do want to show you one other thing, which is how to remove the background in a picture. So let's say that we're just going to add in an image here. And let's say I want to remove this background right here. If you come up here to edit image and then you just do background remover, it removes the background for you. And most of the time it's pretty close to what you want, like this one's perfect, but sometimes it might have some part that you need to manually remove, and then you have right here the restore and the erase. So let's say that I want to restore this in right here. First, you can show the original image to see it if you need to. You can also adjust the brush size. So if I wanted to restore this right here, you could just color it in what you want to restore and do it that way. So let's say I want to remove the background on this one. I can just click on this, edit image, background remover, and it does it for you.